Well, 2020 is well on its way. And it's really time, if you haven't yet thought about how you're going to make this decade, this year, stand apart from the others, you might think about doing something completely different, like training to be a personal stylist, perhaps, or just transforming the way you look and feel about yourself. Well, in this series of videos, I've been explaining exactly what goes on at the NHJ Style Academy Personal Styling Flagship course, just so you can get a better idea of where your investment goes and what you're going to get out of it. Today, I'm going to talk about real styling skills that are going to bring in your bread and butter. And one of them is how to detox a client's wardrobe. Now, there's a lot of, just good basic principles and a system that you can put in place to make this happen and be really effective and efficient when you're at a client appointment. Because let's face it, time is money. So, it's one thing getting a client, but when you're at a client, you don't want to spend 5 or 6 hours going through a wardrobe, because that isn't going to generate much profit for you in your appointment. So really important to be able to go to a client appointment, be really efficient, really effective, and maximize your profitability as much as possible if you want to turn this into career. So we will spend a long time going through the principles of a wardrobe detox, how to do it really efficiently and effectively, and how to identify garments that perhaps the client should get rid of, but also help the client restyle what they have. And it's all about sustainability, buying less these days, and those are important conversations that you need to have with your client. And that doesn't mean we shouldn't be injecting our wardrobes with new things that make us feel different at all. But sometimes just restyling existing wardrobe items in a different way can give them a new lease on life. So that is an important element of the wardrobe detox. And I spend a lot of time encouraging my students to practice this on each other and really getting good at giving that feedback. How do you critique someone in a constructive, positive way that is not personal? A lot of my students find that the hardest thing, to actually say, that isn't suiting you at all, or that isn't flattering. And so we work on a lot of fashion terminology to really help you get constructive feedback across in a really positive, uplifting, energizing way. So if that sounds of interest, our next course is on the 17th to the 20th of March. We have a couple of places left, and I hope to see you there.